how to see your FPL Team ID. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for fantasy.premierleague.com on your mobile or on your laptop. Now, it is important to open Fantasy Premier League in your browser for this particular tutorial, as this cannot be done in the app itself. Now, go ahead and tap on the leagues and cups option you see there and then open any of your league right here. And then go ahead and open the league whose ID you want to see. Now, tap on the search bar on top or the bottom right of your screen, and with this, as you can see, this particular highlighted portion is your team ID or your league ID. So this was about how you can find your FPL Team ID. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.